Due to the excessive competition issue on Pump lately, many coin creators have started deploying their coins on Raydium. In most of the videos related to this topic, I keep coming across coinfast.fun or ares.tools. Today, I decided to take a closer look at this. By digging deeper into the matter, I realized what could potentially happen and prevent you from encountering any bad experiences such as unverified sites. I prepared this video. In this video, we will connect both sides and test whether there's any problem, scam, or software, some malicious that could drain your wallet. First, we enter CoinFast. It has a classic Raydium type of thing going on there with specific colors. I usually feel more cautious about sites like that because they seem overly polished to look formal. Anyway, let's try creating our usual fart GPT coin on the site. The steps are simple, just 3 steps, but honestly, they feel a bit unnecessary for me. Anyway, after entering all our information and pressing the create button, look what pops up. This warning indicates that there is a possibility of malicious software on the site, meaning it could steal your personal information, drain your wallet. Stay away from sites that give such warnings. Even for this experiment, I use my small wallet because I don't trust them at all. Now, let's move on to the other tool, ares.tools. It has a clean and straightforward interface. It's a simple one-form site with explanations written on the site. Again, I'll use my usual coin, FartGPT. After filling in all the information, I've explained the importance of these options in my previous videos. So if you haven't watched them yet, subscribe and check them out. We press the create button, and as you can see, there are no warnings at all. It's likely developed by well-known developer, possibly close to Phantom. Personally, I prefer using such clean and more reliable sites. Remember, the crypto network is full of traps. Work with audited, well-established firms that do their job properly so you don't end up losing your money. Otherwise, maybe you find yourself wake up one day and entire wallet and life savings gone. Thank you for watching. If you want me to create more videos about depths of the blockchain, subscribe and like this video to help grow the channel.